what it's called. I forgot. But it's it's on Mannings Hill Road. So I'm gonna go there soon though. I'm already on the road. I was doing some business, so I'm gonna have to stop at home and then I'm gonna go to this place. They have the best vegan food I've eaten in Kingston so far. So guys, I highly recommend this place. But I'm gonna take you all along and show you the food, how it looks and everything like that, and the location of the place. So I'm leaving New Kingston now. I'm gonna go home and then I'm gonna head there. So I'll check back in with you guys once I'm on my way there.
So, Mommy.
Say hi, Ari.
Hi. So, Mommy, could you do a vlog?
I don't know if Aria is gonna like this food because she likes chicken and fried chicken and all of that. So we'll see if we can get something that she likes. But if it passes Aria's taste test, then it really tastes good. So guys, we're on our way. Oh, I remember the name of the place. It's called the CheffingDon. Yeah, that's the name of the place. I saw this place on SOAI's blog. He's a Jamaican YouTuber. His channel name is Stuck on an Island. I saw him buy food there for the first time, and then I saw them on Instagram and I thought their food was so delicious and I tried it out and it didn't disappoint. So I always look forward to going there for food. This thing is so loud. I always look forward to going there for food, so I'm very excited. I just hope they have what I want. I always like to get ackee, pressed plantain, fried plantain, fried rice, and pumpkin takari.
Look where you're going.
I'm looking where I'm going. So the ackee, the ackee and the pumpkin takari are my two favorite main dishes. And then from my favorite sides are of course the fried rice, the pressed plantain, and of course ripe plantain. So I think, and Aria really loves plantain, so I think she would enjoy that.
Press plantain.
Okay guys, so I'm driving now, so I'll talk to you when I get there. Okay guys, we're here and we're starving. So I hope the wait won't be long. And my battery is dying, so I'm not gonna waste the battery life that I have. I'm just gonna show you all, kind of conserve it to show you the food and stuff. So I'll show you that. Right, so this is it. I really like the setting here. It's very kind of quaint and quiet and relaxing. I don't think they're gonna allow us to dine, but we'll see. Hello. Afternoon. You have everything that sticks is, yeah. I'm doing a vlog for my YouTube channel. It's giving you an audience. Yeah, so now for go pay me. When I get big, one day I'll do a feature and you can. I'm joking. I love your food, so I don't mind sharing with everybody. Okay, alright, what may I get for you? So you have everything that is sticked?
Yes.
Alright, so I want to...
Just the one.
So I want a pumpkin takari, fried rice, and ripe plantain. Yeah.
Oh, that bamboo.
You have... Hold on, you don't have ackee?
No, it's finished.
Oh, it's finished. Alright, so and it's one size, right? It's one size. I can get a small one for her with the same thing. No, don't give her the fried rice. Give her the pumpkin takari and
Pumpkin to
pressed plantain and ripe plantain.
Pumpkin. Interesting one. Okay. Simple. Like a pumpkin.
So we ordered and now we're waiting to get to our food. Alright, take your hand from it. So I don't know how long it's gonna take, so we'll see. I'll let you guys know how long the wait is, but there are not a lot of people here.
Mommy, look at that picture for you.
Like 3 people came after me, but when I came it was empty. So guys, we got through. It took us literally like 5 minutes. It didn't take long at all. So I'm gonna show you all the food now. So this is what I ordered. Pumpkin takari. So that's the pumpkin takari, fried plantain, fried rice. They usually give us salad. I don't know if I should have ordered the salad separate, but that's that. And then I have pumpkin takari here, fried plantain. This is Aria's own. I didn't get her any fried rice. I got her the pressed plantain instead, and this is the pressed plantain. I think we're gonna go home and eat because we weren't allowed to dine there. But Aria, do you wanna try yours?
Yes, please.
Alright, hold it. So Aria's gonna try it and let me know how it tastes.
Thank you.
Is it hot? You should have cooled it.
Tastes okay.
It tastes okay?
Yes.
Just okay, it doesn't taste really yummy.
Tastes like plantain.
Even though it's pumpkin. Okay guys, so Aria approves. She didn't say it tastes yucky or anything like that, so I think that's a thumbs up. So this is mine. I'm gonna taste it. I'm gonna go home and eat, guys, because I don't really live far from here. I'm just gonna taste the fried rice. The pumpkin. Oops.
Could I taste the fried rice too?
It tastes really good.
Could I taste the fried rice too? But not with the pumpkin.
Just the fried rice alone?
With my one.
How does it taste?
Ting, ting, ting.
It tastes good? That means you want some of my fried rice? Okay guys, so that's where I'm gonna wrap up this little vlog. I'm gonna go home and eat now, and then I have some work to do, so I'm gonna do that for the rest of the day. But I hope you guys found this informative. So if you're looking for a vegan spot in Kingston, definitely check out CheffingDon. The food is just great here, you guys. You won't be disappointed. And yeah, so as I said, that's it for this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys. Oh, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Comment down below if you know of any other vegan spots in Jamaica, or comment down below if you like vegan food, if you dislike vegan food, or if you've ever tasted great vegan food wherever you are in the world. And also give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys. What?
Could we
You're not saying anything. Guys, I'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye.